I just saw that ugly much to get on top of my car, but like it's crazy, bro.
Let me get back on here.
Nope.
It's a pig. It's a pig.
I'm gonna get hip hop.
Let me go, bro. Let me go, bro.
Pouring out the phantom. That little bitch said I don't got no manners. Walk around with that hammer. I filled my cup full of dirty Diana. I fell in love with a phantom. Ain't no love when they been and getting handled. Tryna catch me a dog like a scammer. Well, you know. Pouring out the phantom.
I love the hills.
Pouring out the phantom. That little bitch said I don't got no manners.
Anyway, man, we chilling today. Going with the mall, get a cinnamon bun for me only. Bro, them cinnamon bun from the mall be so good. Bro, what you doing?
Cinnamon for who?
Bro, get on my driver's seat. Yeah, we're on the way to the mall, get a cinnamon bun, woo woo. Yeah, I remember last time we went to the mall, the video got to what that was, 36K right now?
Ooh, that charge.
Ooh, that bitch got all the specs on it. I thought they gonna speed up when they get off the curb. God damn. Hold up. Go get up. Y'all right real quick, twin. Oh yeah, for sure. And my personal driver with me today. So, stop hearing me, bro.
Do something.
Bro, you keep hearing me, they gonna report you as a domestic violence program. See what that truck doing.
Oh no, you be driving your own car.
Sometimes they like they don't even stop.
You looking at trains and shit? Take me out to dinner.
I did not prepare myself.
Huh? You didn't?
No, I really didn't. Huh?
They want you to look cool.
Man, it's that juice, man. You ain't gonna find a lot of that. Push me, man.
Right, man.
Y'all see how she pushed me, right? Push me, motherfucker. Get out of me, dude.
Yeah.
I want to send about everything, right?
We going over there next.
Oh, we're going Bills. I don't want to send about everything, huh? You read. Your ass don't want you. Yeah, show him how you eat. Show him how you eat. Do it again.
Move.
Do it again. Do it again.
No.
What boy?
Go to the left.
I straight beat her ass and it be like real talk. She think I'm playing. I straight do it to her like real talk. What? That's what I'm talking about. That's one of them high person. That's why I ain't responding. Look at that first, y'all. That's it. Where you feel? Yeah. I don't even see you wearing no big ass purse like that.
What? You keep thinking that, hoe.
Try it on.
No.
Try it on. Exactly.
So you got small moves.
That's a dress. That's a dress.
I don't know.
No, that ain't no dress. She's slow. She's slow. Thought that was a dress for real. I realized that was a dress. Why was some cool on that?
No, another Michael Corporation.
Another one?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, get one. Get one.
No, I'm bringing your pockets on the trip.
Yeah, wait till the trip.
Yeah, we got shot for our baby.
Huh?
Where the boy section at? We got shot for our baby.
I'm gonna leave you over there. How about shot for a baby? I'm gonna leave you over there. You feel?
Come back this way.
Oh, shit.
I want to get the little chicken. Stop.
Hey, bro, on my camera, bro.
Y'all, I ain't saying we'll have a baby now, but when we do have one, that boy gonna love shit at that baby. Like, trying to do all this.
Who, me? I'm gonna tell y'all something, man.
Man, you know you will.
I ain't gonna lie. You brought me on here, but I don't want to hold my cinnamon bun.
Yours?
Yeah, mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get it right. My cinnamon bun.
Where did I get my thing from?
Oh, clean one. You got from over here. It can't like a sit.
I know it's a sit, but still.
They ain't need it now. That whole rubber gone. But I ain't know that. I hope I don't. Whole gone. Oh, she mad now, y'all. Look at her, she mad now, y'all. Boo, where you going? She mad now, y'all. Stop. Stop. Shit, where you walking too fast? Where you going? Where you going? Where you walking so fast? Where you walking so fast? You don't want to talk? Why you walking so bad? Huh? Why you walking so bad? Huh? You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk? Oh, damn, what's up down, cuz? Oh, she mad, but she can't get a bracelet. Her bracelet went in there. Look at it. Look at it. But you gonna slow down? You gonna slow down? Oh, you gonna wait on me? I know it. Look, you see me gonna slow down? I walk that fast. I can't walk that fast, y'all. You gonna slow down? You don't wanna talk? You still drive? You still drive? Oh no, you still drive. Boo. Boo. Boo boo. Slow down, boo. You want to order one? What?
You ain't even done no pull part.
You gotta grab yourself. I couldn't do it. They were like, you ain't want, they were out in the open. You won't want them anyway. Who you shooting the bird at? That my sin bird anyway. hit y'all back when we get to the house, man. Got a little angry bird over here. Ow! That's my earring. That's what you get. Stop hitting me, man. Stink ass. What you eating though? Look at her, she just kissed me out before she got the food, right? Now she got the food, now she went maybe all look like a little baby. Get the food. Can't have some. You know what I'm saying? I saw that ugly ass mutt just on top of my car, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro.
Let me get back up here.
Nope.
Push your pig. Push your pee.
I'm gonna get a hit call. I'm gonna get a hit call. I'm gonna jump.
No, the hell you ain't finna jump.
Why?
I don't know who's finna catch you either. Let me go. Let me go, bro. Let me go, bro.
Didn't talk.
Hmm?
Didn't talk.
You finna drive?
Nope.
I can never sit in the passenger seat, bro. Hungry and shit. I can never sit in the passenger seat. It's lame. Why you hitting on me? Oh.
Give me a kiss, nigga. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, nigga. Give me a kiss. Give me.
That's not P of you. Stop hitting my camera. You and Tutu got me fucked up. Y'all keep hitting my damn camera.
And I'm gonna get your neck.
What you doing?
What ugly ass cook? She gonna fade away soon as that blood spray get it going.
Whoo! Somebody, if y'all want her, please hit her inbox. God damn, bro.
Play on me.
You just hit me in my throat. You give me scoliosis.
What? I think this thing is.
You want that? The whole 200 ain't it? You for real?
No.
Find some I buy. Get them. You gonna go to bed? Oh yeah, I'm finna try to get these bitches right here. I'm try to get them bitches right here. You just bought some out, but they were too tight. They were too tight. Oh, I just get one of these. I just saw them. I get them black. I get them black. Really? Man, yeah.
Talk my mama, man.
Nah. Yeah. I just bought her some Uggs that I didn't try to buy. I made myself buy Uggs, but okay. I just bought her some Uggs I didn't try to buy.
You want some pizza? You wanna get?
For real?
Yeah. You know you don't want another again.
I just bought some Uggs that I did not try to buy. That's the crazy part. I came here looking for something for me. I tried to buy something for me. I bought her some Uggs. They're cool though. I'm gonna get that.
Got your keys.
Yeah. I just bought her some Uggs though. That's the crazy part.
Thank you, Juki.
Look at her, now she happy and shit. I supposed to bought something for me. Me. I supposed went in there and got me some Uggs. I went in there and bought her some Uggs. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Now she's smiling and shit. I don't know what she's smiling for. She's smiling now. Now she's finna be nice to me now. She ain't finna hit me today. She ain't finna hit me now. Look at her. She happy now. She crazy too. Talking about that. Now she talking about, I got some Uggs. Woo. Look at her. She happy now. Yeah, I got my y'all. I got my too. She bought me some son. She bought me some son. I got some son. I got some son. Hey, look, off and throw them on son. They get to the house. Huh? Thank you, Boot.
Thank you.
Yes, she did. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. I got me some son. I am finna throw a little sip of pennies on soon I get in the house. Soon I get in the house. Son of a